Over the next few minutes, we're going to take a look at some applications built with Alpha Anywhere. This stock tracking application may look like an app that came with your smartphone, but we actually built it using Alpha Anywhere. It uses touch events and swipe gestures to select stocks and to navigate through the interface. And as the phone is moved to a new orientation, you'll see that the application senses this and adapts accordingly. Now, this is the behavior you would expect from a native application written for a particular device, such as an iPhone like we have here. But this is actually an HTML5 application, and so the same application runs just as well here on this Android tablet, as well as on this Windows phone. Going from the small screen to the big, this application serves as an interactive brochure for a high-end real estate development. In this case, their Alpha Anywhere application is running on a 46-inch touchscreen monitor. Now, just to give you an idea as to how quickly you can build Alpha Anywhere applications, we're going to take a look at a sample application that you can build in just a few hours. What you see here is a list of customers. This list is being pulled from a back-end SQL database. And for Microsoft Access users, if the sample data looks familiar to you, it's because we're using the Northwind sample database. Now, by using a swipe gesture, you can smoothly scroll through the list, and by tapping on a customer in the list, a detail screen slides in where you can make edits to the live data. And tapping the menu button, a drop-down menu appears, giving you more options for the customer you selected. Here we've selected orders, and this order list has appeared. And by clicking on a particular order, we can drill down further to see the items in that order. You can also see your data represented in charts, and there are buttons for navigation to bring you from one page to the next. Looking back at the menu, we can also choose Map to plot the geographic location of the customer. Your data can also include photos, and because in this case the application is running on a device equipped with a camera, you can take pictures and add them to the database, like we're doing here. When this record is submitted, the new image appears in the list. There's also a side menu over here with additional options. In this case, we've selected orders, and using this slider control here at the top, we can select a range of orders by order totals. The application also includes an employee list, again complete with pictures. Alpha Anywhere also includes a powerful report writer. Here we've built a selection screen so that we can run a report based on customers by countries in which they live. We selected Germany and Ireland, and a report appears showing customers in Germany and Ireland grouped into two lists. This is one of the many options you have when creating a report. Last but not least, you can use the advanced search feature to find customers based on a multitude of criteria. Here we're just searching for customers in London, and voila, here they are. And remember, you could build this application yourself in just a couple of hours. We're going to close this video with a few more examples, starting one from a company called LaVenue. This web-based application keeps track of bookings for events. Notice here how you can expand individual rows, letting you drill down for more information. Now, data can also be presented in charts, like you see here. And here the data has been packaged into a report, which can be delivered in HTML, PDF, Excel, and Word formats. Alpha Anywhere also works beautifully with images. Here you're looking at the Image Gallery control, one of the many controls that come built in. Another control is the Video Player component, which can take videos from a variety of sources and display them on a variety of devices. There's also a map control for plotting locations, and the calendar control, which you can use to build in scheduling features. Alpha Anywhere applications can adapt so they can be shown on many different screens, from a smartphone to a desktop. And the types of applications you can build are as varied as the businesses that build them. For example, this Alpha Anywhere application is used in the field, well, actually the water, to track marine animals, using waterproof mobile devices. With Alpha Anywhere, you can create anything.